Hey everyone, happy to see you again in my new video. Today we are going to draw little cute babies of SpongeBob characters. So bring your pen and let's draw them all step by step together. We're going to start with the cute baby of sandy cheeks. Starting with her cute eyes by drawing this shape on both sides like a big egg. Two small circles inside each eye. And from those points here, with the same distance from the eyes, we draw a big circle going around the eyes. And the same thing for the other one too. And connect them with a small line from the middle. And from the distance here and for both eyes, we mark a point on each side. And we draw curved lines from them in this way, connecting the space we let before. And we keep connecting by connecting the two sides with a big half circle. Now we draw the ears with a small curved line like this and complete it in this way. Bring a pencil and draw a light line over here. And with it, we keep going in the circle without passing the light line. Finish by adding a small line to the middle. Repeating the same steps for the second part. And from the end of it, we draw two cute hands. Connect with the two hands with two parallel curved lines. Backing to the face, we draw the nose with a small triangle and a smiling mouth. Complete the cheeks and add 3 lines over the eyes, and with them complete the face. Bring your pencil again. That will help us complete the body. Now, after we draw 2 big circles for the feet, all we had to do to complete our first drawing for today was connect with a curved line between them. And like this, we got our first drawing for this video, the cute baby of sandy cheeks. For the second draw of today's video, we got Plankton. We start by drawing the eyes, one eye, in this way, and 2 small circles inside it. And from this distance, we draw the same shape we drew for the eye, and going around it. And like this, we finish the eye. We draw a small smile under it for the mouth. With a pencil, we draw a long light line. And from it to this point over the eye, we draw a long curved line, and the same for the second part. But before we move to the other part, we will draw a half circle for the cheeks, not passing the light line, and add a small line to the end of it. Complete the cheeks with 2 curved lines in both sides. And from it, we draw his cute hands so easily like this. From the middle of the cheeks, we draw a curved line. And finish with 2 big circles for the feet. And before finishing completely, we got to draw the eyebrow in this way. And with drawing these 2 shapes step by step like this, we will finish our second baby for this video. For the third baby character, we got Mr. Krabs. For this baby, and in a different way than others, we will start with the feet, drawing 2 big circles looking at each other. Connect them with a big curved line, and 2 parallel lines. We bring a pencil to draw a small circle with a light line. And from the middle of them, first we go with a curved line between them. Now we back into our circle and going with our pen with it from here to this point. And from this point, and with the help of the light circle, we complete the first hand like this, and it is same for the second hand too. Now, for the face and especially the cheeks, we go to the point here, and we draw a big half circle. From the end of the cheeks, we go with a straight light line up for both sides, and we draw 2 curved lines and add 2 more diagonal lines on the sides of each. And connect them again to the body. Before getting to the eyes, we draw the nose with a small triangle, and for the mouth we draw a small, tiny, cute smile. Finally, for the eyes, We draw a big circle shape in this way directly above the curved line. And going with a big line around the eye, and that's it, our Mr. Krabs baby. The next baby will be the character you're all waiting for, the baby of SpongeBob SquarePants. We will draw eye by eye, drawing a big circle for the first eye, and then drawing a small circle inside it, and adding 2 small circles inside it. Close to our first eye, we draw the second eye with the same steps, starting with a big circle and going for the small one. Drawing 3 small lines over here, and from them we get to this point, same on the other side, and don't forget to mark a point in the middle between them, so we can draw part by part so easily. Now, from the middle of our eye on these sides, we draw 2 curved lines. Bring a pencil and draw a light line in this way. And without passing it, draw a curved lines that will be the beginning of the cheeks. We draw some light lines with our pencil that will help us complete the cheeks. And from the last curved lines, we go to draw a big circle from them, just without passing the light line. Two big circles for the hands. Small curved line on both sides and then draw the feet. Now all that's left to draw is to draw the nose in this way with 2 lines and draw the smile with the teeth. And here it is, the baby of SpongeBob SquarePants. For the final baby of today's video, we got Patrick Star. We will start by drawing the eyes with this shape in this way. We go down the eye at this point, and then we draw the same shape but bigger. With a pencil, we go down with a light line. Now, using the lines we made with the pencil, we draw 2 curved lines. And from them, we complete the cheeks with a big half circle. a cute smile in the middle of the face. Now, to help us complete the face, we draw with a pencil a long light line from the middle. And from this point over here, we go with a long curved line to the middle of the face. And keep going to complete the other side too. And with it, we finish the whole face and move directly to draw the hands with 2 circles. Two small curved lines on both sides and 2 big circles for the feet. And with the final step, here is the baby of Patrick Star and the end of our video. I hope you liked today's video and enjoyed drawing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one of them is the cutest.